Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to convert an estimate into an invoice in Bookipi. So log into your account and click dashboard so that you're going to go to our, dashboard, of course. Wait for it to load up. It does take a bit sometimes. So once we are in our invoice, and as you can see, it's not loading up properly. There you go, almost there. So once you are here, you want to click on invoice, right? And then you're going to see an option here, a tab under invoice. It says invoice, estimate, credit note, etc. You want to click on estimate, and then you're going to see all the estimates that you have created here, right? So there's going to be an option under options that says convert to, right? So make your customer pay easier. So you want to click convert to, and then this small pop-up will appear, and you're going to have two options. You're going to have invoice or proposal. You want to click an invoice. There you go, converting to invoice. And as you can see, it is now an invoice, right? So invoice number 1. And if you want to add everything, just click update. There you go. Invoice successfully updated. You can view in pipeline. There you go. That is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. I'll see you on the next video.